Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW with 6-cylinder guys, gasoline engine, N51, N52, N53 or even guys N54 engine guys. So now if you're trying to find where your water pump is located, stay with us and we'll cover that today. In the past it used to be driven by the serpentine belt on the previous engine, which was the M54. On the N52 and up guys, it's actually hidden pump, and we'll explain where it's located and how to find it guys. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, specifically on BMW, even more guys. And why we do that? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. Also guys, all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing these free videos. If you need to buy a new water pump, tools, parts, coolant, certified BMW coolant, all that guys, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Everything will be there for your convenience. Also, we have another channel that's growing pretty quick guys. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We have quite a few videos on BMW, how to test different components, electrical components, fuses, relays, all that stuff. So looking at the engine that way now guys, you can see you face it this way, and at first on the N54, the older 6-cylinder engine, it used to be right here, driven by the serpentine belt. But now on that newer 6-cylinder engine guys, you don't see water pump anywhere. Your belt diagram may be a little bit different depending on which engine you have and which configuration, but for instance guys, we have crankshaft pulley, AC compressor, power steering pump, alternator, idle pulley and tensioner pulley. No water pump. So if you pay a little bit attention and you guys come to the very left side on the bottom side of your engine, you're going to notice this device, okay, right here. This device right here is actually guys, okay, your water pump, and right next to it is your thermostat. The water pump is actually electrical water pump. It's not mechanical pump. Those are the wiring, and this is the wiring harness right there. So it's driven by a 12-volt supply guys, so it's all electric, and it has 2 hoses and it has 3 bolts where it attaches to the engine. We have complete video how to remove and replace it, but also guys, every time you remove it, okay, you have to drain your cooling system, replace the pump, then you will need to guys bleed the cooling system the correct way. Otherwise guys, you can cause damage to your engine and you can overheat it. That could be very expensive and you may end up needing a new engine. So we have a special video that explains how to bleed the cooling system, and we have a video coming soon about the water pump guys, replacement, thermostat replacement, all that as well. If you have any more questions, just let us know. Don't hesitate guys, we're here to help you as much as we can. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.